In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and efficient by using ChatGPT to generate mermaid code, then pasting that code directly into Notion so it renders as a clean, readable flowchart. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. This is where you'll describe the kind of flowchart you want. Be as specific as possible so the generated mermaid code matches your needs. For example, you might say, "Give me a flowchart sample for Notion using mermaid code," and then add details like the steps you want to show, how they connect, or whether decisions branch to different outcomes. The clearer your prompt, the closer the result will be to your ideal diagram. Once ChatGPT returns the code, you'll see it presented in a code block. Mermaid flowcharts usually begin with something like flowchart TD or graph TD, followed by lines that define each node and the arrows between them. Take a quick moment to scan the structure so you understand what you'll be pasting. Then copy the mermaid code. If it appears inside triple backticks, you can copy everything and paste it as is into Notion's mermaid block, or just copy the inner code if you prefer. The key is to capture the exact characters and spacing. Now go to Notion. Open the page where you want your flowchart to live. In the editor, type A// to bring up the block menu, then type mermaid and click the mermaid option. You'll see a special block ready to accept mermaid syntax. Paste the code you copied from ChatGPT right into this block. As soon as you paste, Notion will render the diagram automatically, turning the text into a visual flowchart. At this point, you have your flowchart. If you want to tweak labels, add steps, or adjust the direction of arrows, you can edit the mermaid text right inside the block, and the diagram will update instantly. If the chart doesn't render, double-check that you selected the mermaid block rather than a regular code block, and make sure the code begins with a valid mermaid keyword, like flowchart. Minor formatting issues, such as missing brackets or arrows, can prevent the chart from displaying properly. That's all there is to it. Use ChatGPT to generate the mermaid code, copy it, head into Notion, insert a mermaid block, and paste. You'll have a fast, flexible flowchart that's easy to maintain and update directly in your workspace.